stays off. And when I do that, I try to come back to the next workout with not so high volume so I can ease back into it. So we're going to do a workout for old people today. I'm going to do fairly easy things, and maybe it's too easy for you, maybe it's too hard for you, but we're going to start with ass to grass squats, and we'll just go with that. This is a 6-inch block. That's how deep I go. My cat's a daredevil. All right, 20. All right, people. It's time for the workout for old people. It's going to be easy. I'm just going to do some push-ups, but I want to make sure on all these exercises, we all do full range of motion and try to do really good form. The numbers really don't matter. This is kind of a comeback workout just to tune up a little bit, and let's just see what we feel like doing. We'll do an iso hold at the bottom. Okay, 10 reps. Pull-ups will be next. All right, it's time for pull-ups. So we're going to do 3 sets of these basic exercises. So we're doing squats, push-ups, pull-ups, and dips. We're going to do 3 sets, and I'm just going to do what feels good to me, and that's it, baby. Easy workout for old people. Eight. I think I could have done more of it. We'll settle for 8. I'm going to stop at 7 on the first set. All right, set 2, ass to grass squats. Try to do full range of motion if you can. Okay, it's 20. Okay, people, on our second round of Around the World. Old people, easy workout. We're going to try to do 10 iso hold push-ups and do really good form. The idea is to touch your chest to the ground and hold in the bottom position. Technically, a lot of people, I think, hold in top position too, but I don't worry about that too much. Right now I'm working on the bottom position. So let's see what we got. I think that was 10. Eight. All right, 8. All right, we're at the top of the third trip around the world. We're doing ass to grass squats on a 6-inch tall block. We're doing push-ups, iso hold at the bottom push-ups. We're doing bar dips, and we're mainly doing pull-ups. We're doing pull-ups. All right, so we've done 2 sets of 20 so far. All right, 21. Okay, greetings old people and the young people who are doing this to shame us old people. We're on our third set of the easy old people workout. This is iso hold push-ups. We've done 10 the first 2 sets. And you want to go, try not to banana back, keep your legs, your back straight, touch your chest to the ground, hold for a second, come back up. All right, 10. All right, it was 8. Okay, people, we made it to the bottom of the third trip around the world. We're doing ass to grass squats on a 6-inch block. We're doing push-ups, iso hold push-ups with a hold at the bottom. We're doing pull-ups, and we're doing dips. We've done 7, and we've done 8. And normally I'll do a buyout set after this, or a tack set, but since it's a tune-up workout, I've been out 4 days. I want to make sure I just recover from this so I can take my normal time off and be back and get back on schedule. So I'm just going to end it on this set and we'll see how we do. Woo! Thanks for tuning in. Fit Over 60. Let's get it.